Steinbrenner Field is about to be open for business after a 2-year renovation project. And when the Yankees wrap up spring training, they're going to loan it to the Tampa Bay Rays for the season.
Hey there, it's Tony Brown with Ramjack Southeast, and we've got a very exciting project to share with you today. We're working on Steinbrenner Field with the New York Yankees at the spring training facility in Tampa, Florida, and also where the Tampa Bay Rays are going to be completing their season this year.
We're going to be installing some helical piles, some driven piles, and some support to their newly renovated training facility, where they're actually adding an indoor pool to the training facility that currently exists. So we're going to be supporting the wall, supporting that pool, and adding the strength and stability to make that happen. We're on our first phase, which is chipping back the footers and also the pile caps so we can get flush to the wall.
That first excavation that was done actually took the soils away all the way to the bottom of the footer and extended out an additional 5 feet off the wall so that we could work. In phase 1, we installed a combination of helical piles and driven piles. We installed 16 2 7/8 inch helical piles with 10 and 12 inch helixes. Those were hydraulically advanced down into competent soils that were called out by the engineer and able to hold the spread footer and the load. We also added to that same spread footer 9 3.5 inch driven piles that were much more substantial in size, that were able to, with the combination of the helical piles, to be able to hold that load as well as hold the soils back once you added the tiebacks.
We are entering phase 2 of our project. We've got the dewatering installed, and you'll notice that we have excavated down another 4 feet below land surface, and we are getting ready to install the helical tiebacks horizontally that will be holding in the driven piles as well as the vertical helical piles on the footer.
The tiebacks are a very unique feature because basically what you're doing is you're adding lateral support into that soil wall that's been excavated, so you're able to not only handle the vertical aspect of this but the horizontal aspect as well, and to allow the customer, in this case the contractor, and then the Yankees, some peace of mind in knowing that those soils and everything are going to be held in place. After we completed mobilization 2, that shotcrete wall was in, we were able to go to mobilization 3, which allowed us to install the final 9 tiebacks on the 3.5 inch driven piles, and those were approximately 5 feet below the footing. At that point, we're pretty deep underneath the footer, and so it's a very unique approach to making sure that all of this is working well, tied together, supporting everything, and giving the support needed for the project. It's very exciting to be able to work on projects like this. It really shows what we're capable of, and at the same time, it's really great to be able to work with big names like Steinbrenner Field. Mr. Steinbrenner is such a big part of the Tampa area. We'd like to give special thanks to Ben Reichart and the commercial design team and sales team at Ramjack Southeast, as well as Bo Petway and Andrew Howard, who led the installation team for us from the commercial division as well as the Tampa division of our installation crews. Thanks for watching. Once again, I'm Tony Brown with Ramjack Southeast, and we look forward to be able to share more projects with you in the future. We hope you enjoyed this one.
Thank you for checking out the Ramjack YouTube channel. If you'd like to know more about foundation solutions and what we do, just visit ramjack.com.